How to log in to your Temu account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Temu account, and let's get started. First, open up your Temu app. After you do that, simply go to the U section on the bottom, and after you're there, you will see sign in/register. Now you need to log into your account so that you can buy things from Temu. So make sure that you have your account first. If you don't have an account, you can simply tap on register, and you can register with Google or Facebook or your email or even your phone number. Just create an account first if you don't have one. After you do that, you can simply tap on login with Google, continue with Google, and then you'll get logged into your account. Now, since I have already logged in, I'll just log in with my Google here, and there you go. Now you will see your username on the top, and that will mean that you are logged into your account. So yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.